Yeah, bro. All right. Let's make this clear, ne? Ngiyabona ngathi sesikhohliwe. Don't come and ask us silly questions ukuthi ufuna ukuchazela amaphupho. Hey baba. Mina nginaso leso sikhathi. When you engage with my team, you must engage with my team knowing ukuthi ufunani. How we work is very simple. Very simple. Right? Engage with my team, 084-363-5362. Speak to them via WhatsApp. Uzoti hi. Automatically, you'll get an automated message coming from Umzwa telling you what are you looking to engage with us about. Then there's another automated message that will show you we've never changed how we work. It's still the same. Namanje angeke sozowashintsha. We'll give you the options. That's right there. But if you're looking for order as well, there's an automated message. If you look, that is why we've got a catalog. No look order. Self-treatment where you don't need to consult. That is why there's a catalog. You go to the catalog, where menu lapho, you see, and you'll see uzobona nazi washe iningi lapani, washu nani, khona neminye imithe u3 or 4 ngiyifakile for intentionally for your self usage. Uzenzele wedwa to heal yourself. Hayi ukuthi uzothatha lento ebese uyayimixa wakho okukhulu ngeke kwenzeke singabheja imali. But for you self salof salof, then izogogoda ke piano mshanami. Ayizogogoda mshanami. Blind. Right? Angazi how many times you say the same thing. So even when you come, hi, hey, mkulu, ngiphuphe ini, hi, ngeke akuphendule umzwa. Ngeke aze ayiphendule leyo nto. Ngeke aze ayiphendule leyo nto. Right? It's simple. We only take you serious if you take us serious. If you don't take us serious, we don't engage with you. Uzishutha usihloniphi. That's what it is. Danko.